All right, so greetings, YouTube. This is Beautiful Mind. This question comes in about doing long division, so we're going to take a look at this. So it says, complete the division. We have 2x minus 5 divided into this, okay? So notice that every exponent is accounted for, right? So we have a power of 3, power of 2, power of 1, and power of 0. So all the exponents are accounted for. So we're clear to go, okay? If we missed an exponent, then we would have to do a placeholder. We would need a 0, but it should be good the way it is. I'm going to rewrite it just for my own use. So I have 2x minus 5 into, we got 6x cubed minus 9x squared minus 5x minus 25, right? Just going to move this all over to the right so I can have space, right? All right, so now with polynomial long division, all we're doing, so we're saying this first thing divided by the first. So what's 6x cubed divided by 2x? It's like 3x squared, is that right?
Yeah.
All right. So we get the first one we get is 3x squared. So I'm going to line up my x squared with my x squared. So we're going to say 3x squared. Now we multiply back. So when we go in this direction, we multiply. Okay. So then if we do that, 3 times 2 is 6x cubed right there. 5 times 3 is 15. It's going to be a minus 15x squared. What's the next thing that we need to do?
Combine the
How do we, what do we, remember? Subtract. So here we need to subtract. So we've got to distribute the negative, remember? And we change the signs.
No, I don't remember that.
So we distribute the negative and the signs will change. Because you know when you do like regular long division, you say this answer minus that, you get a remainder. Well, we do the same thing here. We just have to distribute the negative, and it's going to cause the signs to change. Okay, so now if we do that, this is going to cancel. That minus itself is 0. Negative 9 plus 5, that's a 5 and a 1 is 6. 6x squared. This comes down. So then we have minus 5x. Okay, so then next we want to, go back. So I think we divide there. The first divided by the first again. We divide again. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So what's 6x squared divided by 2x? What does that give us?
3.
3 what? 3x, right? So we line up our like terms. It's okay? Now again, we're on the blue path, so we multiply. 3 times 2 is going to be 6x squared. 3 times negative 5 is minus 15x. But then what do we need to do? Distribute our negative. So this becomes negative, this is positive. Okay? So we're kind of going like blue, red, green, over and over until we get to the end. So then this is going to go to 0. 15 minus 5 is 10, right? So then this next one comes down. Let me move this out of the way. So in that path, we're going to divide. So this one just comes down. And we're bringing the negative 25. So now, what's next? Same thing. That?
So it's 10x over 2x.
Right, giving us 5.
5.
So we say the 10x divided by 2x, the x is canceled, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now we follow the blue path, okay, so I forgot to mention we did the green path again there. So we divided again. We did it already. So then, now we're on the blue path. 5 times 2, 10x. 5 times negative 5 is a negative 25, but now we need to do what? Distribute.
The negative.
Okay, so we subtract. Subtract. So that's going to become negative, that's going to become positive.
They both cancel out.
And the remainder is 0. So we're saying that this is our solution. So to check, if we said this polynomial times that 2x minus 5, we'll get that original dividend. The 6x cubed is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll close out this question here, and from one beautiful mind to another, enjoy the rest of your day.